In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Claude Code. If you ever need to move between a personal workspace and a team or organizational account, here's the clear way to do it. Right now, Claude Code doesn't include an automatic account switcher. The only reliable method is to sign out of the account you're currently using and then sign in with the other one. Start by opening the Claude Code app. Once it's up, look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area there, usually shown as an avatar, your initials, or a small profile icon. Click that to open your account menu. In this menu, find the logout option and select it. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm. This signs you out completely so the app can present a fresh login screen for the other account. After you've logged out, you'll be taken back to the welcome experience. Click Get Started to begin signing in again. You'll be offered different ways to log in. You can use your Google account for a fast, single-click sign-in, or you can enter your email address manually if you prefer that route. Using Google is typically quicker and helps avoid typos, so let's follow that path. When you choose the Google option, Claude Code will open your default browser to complete the sign-in. From there, select the other Google account you want to use. Make sure you pick the correct one, especially if you keep multiple accounts signed in on the same browser. Once you've confirmed the account in your browser, you'll be redirected back to Claude Code automatically. If the app doesn't switch right away, return to the app window and give it a moment to refresh. You should now be fully signed in under the other account. A quick way to verify is to glance back at the bottom left profile area to confirm it shows the right identity. A couple of practical tips can make this smoother. Before logging out, save any open work so you don't lose changes. If you're on a shared computer, avoid letting the browser remember credentials you don't want stored. And if you need to switch again later, repeat the same flow. Open the profile menu, log out, click Get Started, and choose the sign-in method for the account you want. That's all there is to it. While there isn't a one-click switcher today, this sign-out and sign-in approach is fast once you've done it a couple of times.